Hello, I'm Rohan Srivastava and I am a student of CDY weekend batch of FIITJEE SWARGATE. My father is an Air Force officer and my mother is a PhD in organic chemistry. And my brother, who is an ex-FIITJEEan, has done computer science engineering from BITS, Pilani, Goa campus. I joined FIITJEE in the year 2016. My parents did a lot of analysis of many coaching institutes, but they chose FIITJEE finally because FIITJEE is there all over the nation, and that has a huge advantage over other coaching classes, as we have many All India test series which give us real All India ranks, and I mean we can know our potential due to that. And also, my brother, who is an ex-FIITJEEan, got selected into BITS Goa Computer Science. So my first preference was obviously FIITJEE. I joined the 2-year weekend batch, in which classes are held on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That is 3 days of the week. So a big advantage of the weekend batch is that we get 4 days for practice and for self-study, which is very important because JEE is not all about attending classes. It is a lot about learning yourself and self-study also. So, and the teachers and staff at FIITJEE are excellent. So that helped a lot. The faculty at FIITJEE Pune is excellent, and it is well versed with all the topics of JEE. They always help us and clear our doubts in all the topics, and which is very important. I have always cleared my doubts, and as all the doubts must be cleared in time. The package given to us at FIITJEE has all the topics for JEE required for JEE Mains and Advanced, and also for boards. The RTPF, first of all, the package given to us for weekend batch is also well versed with every concept required. Then the RTPF are a set of test papers which are given to us, and they are really good sample papers. And then we are given archives, which are a collection of previous year JEE problems, which is essential for JEE preparation, as we have to solve it, and it gives us an idea of how JEE papers are. And finally, coming to the GMP, which is the Grand Masters package, it is given to us after JEE Mains, and it can be considered as a Bible to success in JEE Advanced. Every exam at FIITJEE prepares us for the final goal, which is JEE Advanced. The weekly quiz tests how much we have studied in the whole week. Basically, it tests our knowledge of the concepts which were taught to us last week, which is really important. Then the phase tests at FIITJEE are basically structured exactly like the JEE examinations. First, we have the JEE Main. In the phase test, first we have the JEE Main mock test, which is like an exact replica of the JEE Mains. And then we have JEE Advanced Paper 1 and Paper 2, which give us practice and an idea of how to sustain our focus through the 6 hours of JEE Advanced. And then we have the All India test series and All India internal test series, AI square TS, which give us a rank potential index by giving us an All India rank. FIITJEE was the first coaching institute in India to adopt computer-based test series in AITS and AI square TS, which was really important as JEE Mains and JEE Advanced was made compulsory on an online test in 2018. And this gave us an exact exposure of how JEE Advanced would be, and it helped us a lot. Before joining FIITJEE, I used to make a lot of silly mistakes, which would reduce my marks, and I would not be able to perform up to my potential, which is very important. But The teachers at FIITJEE guided me, and one of my teachers told me to write down the mistakes I made in exams and read it before going for the next exam, which really helped me in reducing the amount of silly mistakes I made and increase my score, and I could reach my potential. I recommend students, all the students who are aspiring for exams like NTSC, KVPY, JEE Mains and Advanced, and all these exams, to join FIITJEE as early as possible, preferably in class 8. And I would like to give many other recommendations also. For example, it is very important to get your doubts cleared as early as possible. When you get the doubt, you should preferably call your teacher and get your doubt cleared. And always, tough problems should never be left. Students make a mistake. They leave out the tough problems and they just become lazy. They try solving only the easy ones, which is wrong. As tough problems are important, are very important for concept development. Also, a perfect balance between studies and co-curricular activities must be maintained. And a good schedule must be made, which consists of all activities along with studies. And another important ingredient to JEE success is confidence. You should never ever lose your confidence. I would like to thank my parents who have motivated me throughout my journey and always been there in my ups and downs. And also I would like to thank all the staff members at FIITJEE for their dedicated support. And finally, I would like to thank God for gifting me with such wonderful ranks.